If you want to know how this weird but fun video was shot, then you've got to watch the tutorial and behind the scenes footage coming up. For this shot, you'll need the Insta360 1X, the Ulanzi cage, the Insta360 selfie stick, some stiff wire, a pair of pliers, some tape and some black tack. So first, take the Ulanzi cage and the wire and shape the wire with your pliers so it can be fixed along the side and the top of the cage, so the wire protrudes out from the middle of the top of the cage. It then needs to stick out approximately 4 centimeters and then go straight up to support the back of the razor. Before you finalise the bends and cut your wire, check what the razor looks like using the app, so you know it will look okay in the final video. The wire is not fixed at this stage, so be extra careful not to scratch the lenses on the wire. Once you're happy, fix the wire onto the cage using strong tape and make sure the tape sits flush on the frame so it can't be seen by the lenses. Now break the black tack into 3 pieces and push it onto the wire and fix the razor to the wire. You can adjust this easily later. Now put your camera in the cage and attach your selfie stick. Make sure you use your 1X pouch to rest the camera on when you put it down. You can now look at the razor on the app to see if anything needs adjusting. The main thing to look out for is that the bottom of the razor isn't cut off in the stitch line. If it is cut off, then simply push it up slightly, making sure not to then reveal the wire at the bottom of the razor. When you do the shot and you put pressure on the razor against your face, the razor may move and you may have to adjust it. So press lightly on the razor. Remember, this isn't a real shave, it's just pretend. You don't have to use the Ulanzi cage, but if you don't, it means you'll have to tape the wire directly to your camera, which I didn't particularly want to do. And if you do use the cage, it means you can leave the cage set up with the wire attached and you can use your camera elsewhere in the meantime. Watch these 2 videos next, which creates 2 awesome effects that are automatically edited in the 1R app. If you're crazy enough to try this shot, then tag me in your big shave videos at Insta360 on Instagram, and I'll see you on the next video.